How to enable VODS on Twitch. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can enable VODS on Twitch. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, open up a browser, head towards twitch.tv and make sure to sign in into your account. Click on your profile icon at the top right and here from this menu bar, head over to Creator Dashboard. Once you're under Creator Dashboard, now you have to go to the settings. Click on the settings from here and here click on Stream. And under Stream, scroll down and there is this VOD settings. So to enable VODS in your twitch.tv or Twitch account, all you have to do is turn on this toggle that says Store Past Broadcast. And that's it. That's how you can turn on VODS on Twitch. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.